Selon, an age-old stone, stood his stand alongside the pure waters of Pond Elara in the lonely heart of Ripple Valley. The eternal conversations between them were frequently the only interruptions in the tranquil environment. Elara, ever playful with her reflections, said one sunny morning, "Selon, my ancient friend, why does your reflection bear an air of melancholy, as though shadows of yesteryears still cling to you? When I was but a mere pebble, the world saw me as insignificant," Selon said with the gravity that only millennia can bring. "I fear that those early sentiments of inadequacy have cut deep grooves in my being. But dear Selon, those challenges you faced, haven't they molded you into the resilient marvel you are today?" Elara answered, sparkling with contemplation. "While that may be true, I've observed the world around me, the ever-changing clouds, the transient birds, and the fleeting seasons," Selon said. "They're all moving on, but I'm stuck in my own story. Every day, allow yourself to see your reflection in my waters anew," Elara said with a gentle ripple. "Behold your own details, the interplay of light and shade, and the life you protect." So, started Selon's daily contemplation. Over time, he grew to value his tenacity, the warm patches of sunlight that touched him, and his gloomy niches that provided refuge to wanderers. One fateful afternoon, a melodious bird alighted upon Selon, serenading the surroundings. Elara gleefully pointed out, "See, when you perceive yourself with affection, nature too reciprocates." "This journey of introspection has been enlightening," Selon whispered softly. "While my prior experiences have molded me, the narratives I build today will influence my tomorrows." Elara glistened in agreement. "Every ripple in my waters tells a story, Selon. Your present reflections will be tomorrow's tales. Let them be tales of hope, growth, and transformation." The valley echoed with their newfound wisdom, reminding all who wandered through of the magic that unfolds when one views oneself with gentleness and compassion.